Hello and welcome to my channel, Designed by Josephine and Josee. And today's video is 2 elegant summertime tablescapes featuring fruits. Now, these 2 tablescapes are absolutely gorgeous, and I'm going to be sharing more details of these 2 tablescapes. But before I share more details of these 2 tablescapes, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel, and if you are into tablescapes, home decor, gardening, and how to entertain at home, then you can definitely subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And also, please be sure to follow me in all of my social media. All of my social media links are down below in the description box. And now let me go ahead and continue with the 2 tablescapes. So here is the first tablescape. Now, I always start off with the tablecloth, and of course I love to mix and match when it comes to tablescapes. And for this tablescape, I am using 2 different tablecloths. The first tablecloth that I'm using is an ivory cream color tablecloth, and then the second tablecloth that I'm using is a fruit theme tablecloth that have colors of hunter green, dark red, and purple. So I also mix and match the dinnerware. And as you can see, I have put, of course, a beautiful placemat with a gold charger, a dinner plate that is cream and gold color, a salad plate that is a cream and hunter green and gold color, and also a saucer plate that have a beautiful design on it with the colors cream, gold, and green, and also the color dark red. For the silverware, I have used Royal Albert Old Country Roses silverware. I also have put this beautiful crystal bowl with a pedestal right in the middle as a centerpiece. So here is the first tablecloth that I'm going to be sharing with you. Of course, I love to mix and match. So this is the first tablecloth. As you can see, it is an ivory color with a cream color with leaves. And also here is the second tablecloth. And this tablecloth also have an ivory cream color in the background with some fruits. And I have mix and match both of the tablecloths together to create an elegant look. So here is the second tablescape. As you can see, this tablescape is just absolutely gorgeous. I have used different dinnerware for this tablescape, and I just think it's just absolutely gorgeous.